What is the first step in managing diabetes? Making dietary changes is crucial for control. Sugary drinks and processed carbs should be limited. Insulin plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar. Regular blood sugar checks are essential. Walking, jogging, or cycling helps manage blood sugar. Fiber slows down sugar absorption, aiding control. Eating something sugary can help when feeling weak. Practicing relaxation or meditation is a good stress management tip. Regular medical checkups monitor complications. Type 2 diabetes can sometimes be reversed with lifestyle changes. Question: what is the first step in managing diabetes? A. Ignoring symptoms. B. Making dietary changes. C. Taking sleeping pills. D. Drinking more soda. Correct answer. B. Question: which type of food should be limited for better blood sugar control? A. Whole grains. B. Leafy greens. C. Sugary drinks and processed carbs. D. Lean proteins. Correct answer. C. Question: what is the role of insulin in diabetes management? A. Raises cholesterol. B. Regulates blood sugar levels. C. Builds muscles. D. Improves vision. Correct answer. B. Question: how often should people with diabetes check their blood sugar? A. Once a year. B. Whenever they feel like. C. As recommended by their doctor. D. Every 5 minutes. Correct answer. C. Question: which form of exercise helps manage blood sugar? A. Watching TV. B. Walking, jogging, or cycling. C. Sitting all day. D. Overeating. Correct answer. B. Question: why is fiber good for people with diabetes? A. It raises blood sugar quickly. B. It helps slow down sugar absorption. C. It has no effect. D. It turns into fat. Correct answer. B. Question: what should diabetics do when feeling dizzy or weak? A. Drink water only. B. Eat something sugary and check their blood sugar. C. Skip meals. D. Take a nap. Correct answer. B. Question: which of these is a good stress management tip for diabetics? A. Ignore stress. B. Practice relaxation or meditation. C. Eat more junk food. D. Overwork yourself. Correct answer. B. Question: why is regular medical checkup important for diabetics? A. To get free food. B. To ignore medication. C. To monitor complications and progress. D. To get entertainment. Correct answer. C. Question: can type 2 diabetes sometimes be reversed with lifestyle changes? A. No. B. Only with surgery. C. Yes, with diet and exercise. D. Only in teens. Correct answer. C.